think I need one. Not now, but right now. Big Daniel, Import Life Media, and bring you another amazing episode today. If you like everything dealing with car content, car community, what's going on in the news, shows, events, all of the above, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so you see what I have going on, see what's going on out there, and every time I drop a video, you're notified first. Today's video, I'm kind of at a loss for words because something got dropped, and what it looks like is not so much a concept, because I hate concept vehicles, but we're talking about Infiniti. Now, with the company of Infiniti, you know, that's the luxury version of Nissan, right? So every company has a luxury version, just like there's Toyota, the luxury version is Lexus. With Nissan, luxury version is you know, Infiniti. You could even say with Honda, you know, the more upgraded sporty version is Acura, okay? But there's always brother and sister companies. You could even say Volkswagen and Porsche. Anyway, Infiniti just dropped a new vehicle, and this vehicle is going to be showing and debuting at SEMA. Now, problem with the Infiniti company is they're going downhill, and they're going downhill fast. This vehicle right here, might be able to not only save the company, but also give the company a whole nother outlook of not just luxury, but high-powered sports vehicle. All right, so check this out. So as of right now, Infiniti is only making four new car models, and they range from either just SUVs or electric vehicles. Nothing dealing with sports cars, nothing dealing with high horsepower, anything like that. But there's a vehicle that is getting debuted at SEMA. Let's just get into it. Like and subscribe, man. Let me know what you guys think. Let's get it.
Infiniti just went crazy and dropped this, the Infiniti QX80R spec. And under the hood is a GTR Nismo Source 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 with JE pistons, boost line rods, ARP rod bolts. It's on a Motec system with upgraded turbos, intercoolers, exhaust manifolds, and a fuel system to make it capable of 1,000 horsepower. I'm not sure who at Infiniti came up with this crazy idea, but someone should give them a raise. Built for SEMA and greatly inspired by the T-Spec Takumi Edition GTR, the QX80R spec has a color shift midnight purple wrap, a one-off custom wide-body kit. It's riding on MCS three-way coilovers with external reservoirs and 24-inch GTR-inspired bronze wheels wrapped in 315Y Yokohama Parada Spec X tires. It also has giant carbon ceramic brakes with yellow calipers, functional aero, the list. It goes on, and I have to be honest, I love this thing. If you're headed to the SEMA show this year, this is one build that you're going to have to check out and send me some videos of, because unfortunately I won't be able to make it. But damn, if Infiniti brought this thing to market, I guarantee that it would sell and give something for people to talk about when it comes to the brand. But let me know what you guys think.
So what do I think? I think I need one. Not now, but right now. That is hard. All right. I'm a big dude. I'm 6'8", right? I'm 6'8", about 360, but we got to get that number down, okay? You know what I mean? Big back community. But I'm 6'8", 360, and I like vehicles that fit me, or that vehicles that I fit in, roomy and everything. But this checks all the boxes. It's almost like whoever decided to make this, it's almost like they were driving and got beat by like a track hawk and got pissed off. Like, all right, you know what? I'll be right back. Number one, they put the GTR motor in this, and it's souped up, fully built. Hey, 24s on 315s, that's gonna stick. Now, I don't think they need to do it, but if this was an all-wheel drive vehicle, it's going to be insane. I mean, just the aerodynamics, the big brakes, the color, the room, this thing is sexy.
Yeah, boy.
Like, and I'm already knowing that the price tag is going to be crazy if they did decide to make this. But let's watch the video again. Have the volume off.
Infiniti just went crazy.
I mean, let's talk about the color, just the stance. You know what I mean? It looks good. The lights. Here goes the motor. And they already know how to build that motor, so that's done. And for a V6, that's crazy. Most SUVs have the V8, but the V6 GTR motor, fuel system, everything, oh, that thing is so nice. The two-tone. Another thing that's crazy is a lot of vehicles, it's all one color. If you see this vehicle, it's two-tone. Oh, is it? Or is that the lighting? It looks like the bottom side or most of the vehicles kind of like that midnight purple, and the top side is black. Either way, I wouldn't change anything about this. A lot of vehicles you get, you know, you want to customize, put your own rims, put your own, you know, change the paint job or get a wrap or you know, sometimes people want to. This car literally is perfect the way it is. And hopefully Infiniti sees this. And at SEMA, they get some really good and positive responses. But like I said, right now with the company, they're only making, I mean, they only have 4 vehicles. And they are SUVs or electric vehicles, but it's very underwhelming. Something like this is a game changer. Most definitely. It says it's up to 1,000 horsepower, you know, capabilities in terms of what's in it with the fuel system and everything, the upgraded suspension and brakes. Like, so this thing can get up, but even if they were to make this thing at a cool 650, 600, 750, I mean, everything doesn't always have to be 1,000 horsepower, but you want to have some reliability and some get up. But I'm trying to think of what big vehicles or SUVs have high horsepower. You got the Escalade V, right? You have the Trackhawk with Jeep. You have, I mean, you could do the Hellcat Durangos and stuff like that, the SRT Durangos. But I mean, man, like, look at this thing. It's, I don't even know what to say. Like, truthfully, like, I'll tell you what I would do is, because right now I have my Suburban, I have my Denali, and I have a couple other cars, but I would get rid of a good amount of my cars to get this. Not only just to have it, but damn, hey, can you guys see me in this? Of course, I got to put my music, got to put a sound system in it, but with all that horsepower, I don't care about weight reduction. I mean, they didn't show the inside of the car, the interior, more than likely, because the Infiniti QX80 already has a very nice interior. But with that much horsepower, I'm guessing that they would make some type of, you know, custom seats and you know, what I do like about this car is, or SUV, whatever you want to call it, what I do like about it, even though it is, I guess, technically a concept, it's not just an idea. They actually made it. So it actually exists, you know, they can. And what they have to do is, I think with car dealerships, they have to make one and have it be workable and usable and functional, and then it can go into production. You know what I mean? You see all these concept vehicles with all this artwork and, you know, crazy specs, but they didn't put it up. They actually made this and tested out so it works. So I think they might have a green light to put it in production. Now it's just based off of what people think. What do you guys think? Would you get this? Now, what I was saying earlier is, I don't really care about weight reduction as long as the interior is nice and clean. Who cares about weight reduction? And the reason why I keep bringing that up is because I would put a sound system in there, because I don't like to listen to my music. I like to feel my music. And with speakers and subs and amps and all that in the back, it is a lot of weight. But there's so much horsepower, it's going to make up for it. And then after that, to me, that's the perfect vehicle for me. I really hope that, I mean, I'm not going to SEMA this year. Well, I have an opportunity, but I don't know. I don't think I'm going to make it. But anyway, man, I don't like, this video is just playing over and over. I just keep looking at it. I need that. I need that. I haven't gotten excited over a vehicle that does not exist in terms of you can't buy it. And this is one of the first, or one of the very few. But like I said, I would sell a lot and just get rid of vehicles just to get that one. But what do you guys think? I'm guessing it's going to be, they're probably not going to make a bunch. They're probably gonna have it be really exclusive, and that's gonna run you about like $160,000. Like I said, don't. This is just me just thinking out loud, but everything that this vehicle has, I mean, nowadays it might even run between, you know what? I don't think it's ever gonna hit the 200 mark, but I'll say between 145 to 160. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, I just hope they don't start trying to get crazy with the prices. Like, have it be expensive because, you know, I understand that they're gonna have to get their money back, and this car or SUV most definitely stands out. But have it be something that is attainable. Don't not just on some to where the price is so high, the price is so astronomical that it doesn't even make sense. It's almost like, okay, why would I spend 160, 180? Like I said, these are just random numbers I'm coming up with because I know most definitely this is not going to be nowhere near lower than 100 grand. If this does go into production, not at all. They're not going to do that. Don't have the price be so high that now you're considering, okay, I would love to have this. This is dope. But with that money, I could get a down payment or put a down payment on a house. Or with this money, I can go and buy some type of, you know, Porsche or buy some type of Lambo. You know what I mean? The high 100 grand, low 200,000. Everything on this vehicle, to me, is perfect. I wouldn't change the wheel setup. I wouldn't change the color. I wouldn't change the motor. I wouldn't change anything. I don't know what the interior looks like because they didn't show it, but with the lights and the aerodynamics and the body kit and all that, it is perfect the way it is. Anyway, you guys, I don't know. Let me know. If this vehicle was to come out, would this save the company of Infiniti? Because this is going downhill. And if you have the money, would you buy one? Would you buy one? You know you would. Don't lie. If you say you wouldn't get this, you know you're lying. That thing is sexy and it's beast. Oh man. Okay. I'm sorry. Like I said, the video is just playing. I just keep watching it. But anyway, if you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe. You know what I mean? That helps me with giving you more and more videos. If you leave comments, any and every comment you guys leave, I always respond back to. You know, and if you haven't done so yet, follow me on IG at Import Life Media. All right, stay good, stay blessed, be good to yourself, be good to everybody else, and more than anything, get those cars built. Or build something like that. Man, Infiniti, please, I'm gonna speak up for you guys. On behalf of me and my subscribers, we want this to be real. Make this. Infiniti, make this. Y'all know you guys worry about money in the corporate, but listen to the people because the people is going to be who's buying this. Make it for the people. We buy it. Your company thrives. Everybody's happy. All right, y'all. Import Life Media, Big Daniel, signing out. Love you guys.